one did I replace the head gasket as I had the motor apart. I replaced the exhaust gaskets also. My blow exhaust manifold and the other exhaust gaskets here that came with the kit, and pretty much trying to clean things up and see if this is going to function right now. That you get everything back together. Once you get it together, it may not act like it's supposed to, so you have to be ready for that too. So thanks for watching, and go shoot the chick. Okay, we got that valve cover off. Now I need to get back here and get these bolts on the exhaust. Get all my exhaust bolts out here. These are the ones that's in the rear. They're all loose. Get them out by hand now. Okay, we have both valve covers off. We have the upper intake off. And we have the exhaust loose on both sides. Can maneuver them. So I got this connection over here. The exhaust pipes. Trying to see if I can get by and leave that there. Let me try to get the front block off. Okay, I have a 5/8, and I have my adapter here. And I just take the 3/4 socket wrench, but I got my adapter to make it adjustable. And here. Okay, these bolts are really tight. Must have been torqued down pretty tight. I need my little bar there. Okay, I have my heavy duty ratchet here with my adapter. Slide that on there. And my 5/8 socket. And let's get these bolts off. Pretty tight. This. Put that on here. Oh, this stick kind of the way. Okay, I put my valve cover back on to protect myself while I'm trying to get these bolts off here. But I got the ones out that were under the valve cover, 4 of them, and that seems to be some more. Look like about, I can see 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, there's 4 more that's going along the side here. This one right there, but there's 4 that's going across the side at the bottom. And the exhaust is in the way, so we gotta totally take that off. Probably the same thing with the back. Moving right along. Got my box on my push rods. I got it. Got a piece of box here. Got my hole here. Got them numbered where they go. This is the rear push rods. And I'm going to take them out one at a time here. Put them in. Get them out. Number 6. Everybody's in order. Then we're gonna take them out. Let's set that aside. Okay, we got our block out here. Lift it up. Everything looks nice and dirty. What's going on inside this engine? Oh my goodness. You gotta clean that up. But I got my block out there. Front.